this is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable website images in the Opera web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Opera web browser opened up now. To enable or disable website images, by default website images should be enabled, but a person might want to disable website images if they have a data limit on their internet service, something like that. To do it, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left hand corner, up to the little red O. I'm going to click on the red O. I'm going to go down to where it says Settings. I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side, I'm going to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, I'm going to click on Site Settings. Then I'm going to scroll down to the Content area, and in the Content area, Images. I'm going to click on Images. By default, right up here, Default Behavior, by default, the top one's probably toggled on, Sites can show images. If you toggle on the bottom one, that disables websites from displaying images. That is how to enable or disable website images in the Opera web browser. Thanks for watching.